Cerebellum's mission is to change lives one cupcake at a time. And the way we do that is by building community and connecting people with not only the technical skills, but also the right kind of environment.
It's really great when customers come in and realize they're part of our therapeutic environment. Almost everyone knows somebody who's been affected by some sort of acquired brain injury, be it a stroke or an accident or a tumor, some sort of illness.
When I started at HDR, we found Cerebellum to cater our cupcakes for our birthday anniversary each month. And that's how I became acquainted with Cerebellum.
We are run by speech-language pathologists and occupational therapists, and all of our bakers are volunteer bakers that are working through some point of their rehabilitation.
When somebody experiences a catastrophic health condition, generally people rush in to help when they're in the hospital. But generally, when it's a chronic or long-term health challenge, that support, that circle of community dwindles pretty quickly.
People with brain injuries, they want to feel accepted and approved by people, and it's very difficult.
Sometimes you can get a little isolated, so Cerebellums gave me a place to wake up and come to every day.
This bakery, it is awesome. It has helped me with talking more to others and also being a little bit more independent.
Our bakery does a phenomenal job of helping people reestablish relationships that are outside of just a medical diagnosis, but are really centered on their identity and the skills and the value they bring.
It's really special when you're with people who have gone on a similar journey to you. A lot of us have lost a lot of friendships, and now we're building those friendships back.
Cerebellum was using quite old KitchenAid mixers, and so they were starting to break down.
When a mixer glitches out, that's really dysregulating. Anything that's a little bit different is difficult.
I've never felt so proud to be a part of HDR as I did working on this grant.
The board of directors let us know that we received a grant from HDR for new equipment, which was great because it's great to have equipment that works when you need it to work. The freezer just helps us be a little more flexible if something doesn't turn out.
I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much. It feels really good to know that there's kindness and kind individuals out there willing to help, people who have suffered a stroke or TBI.
Every dollar that comes through this bakery has a profound impact on people's lives. And please keep giving. Thank you for your generosity.